Hello, today I will show you how to remove and then put back the AirPods on the Razer BlackShark headset without breaking them. As you can see, this AirPod is broken. My grandmother removed it the wrong way and ripped up the AirPod base. You should not remove AirPods from these headphones by pulling. Instead, use a flat tool to insert between the AirPod and the headphone base. Try to find the place where you can get the knife in. Then just push the AirPod off from the headphones. The pods are held on the headphone housing by several plastic clips. Replacement AirPod cushions links are in the video description. To install the AirPods back on, you need to center the plastic pins with the headphone housing holes. Then just press in several places on pod until you hear a click sounds, which means the pod is locked in place. Do the same steps for the other side and you are done. I hope after this video you won't break your AirPods and can easily remove them for cleaning or replace them with new ones. Take care and happy replacing!